do you expect?
So we arrived at our final destination of the road trip, our home away from home, the lake Serponçon. We're gonna stay here for about a week, enjoy the boat, go for some rides in the mountain, bike, do some water skiing, and basically enjoy this beautiful weather and amazing views. On the menu today is a little hike to quite a big waterfall, Cascade de la Pisse. We are now in the forest, but we will see the waterfall pretty soon. Sun is shining and it's raining at the same time. Mountain weather. This morning for a new cycling adventure. I started from our place here in the south of France. I'm now 35 k's in, going all the way up to Col d'Alos. It's at 2,250 meters of altitude. I'll be cycling for about 125 kilometers, 2,500 meters of positive altitude. Still feeling strong, excited to do this. The views are just incredible. Let's continue. There we have it. The climb started. I'm 40k in, 45. My father and his friend Bert started from Barcelona, trying to catch up to them before we reach the top. They have about 25-minute advantage. It will be hard to catch up on them, but let's try anyways. $14k to go. Beautiful road, amazing climb. Not the hardest I've done, but still pretty steep, and it's getting really hot. my dad in the distance. 10k from the top. He's doing great. Big kudos to him. Still going strong. 10k from the top. I'm riding my own pace now. Catch up to Bert before we reach the top. Just surpassed Bert about a kilometer ago. Legs are still feeling fine. Almost there. Made it to the top. Just over 3 hours. 62 kilometers. Almost 1,900 meters of climbing. I'm at the halfway point, so the second part of the road is downhill. Suffered quite a bit, but good news.